All right, gonna try and keep this brief. And I'm gonna try and double record on the one program. Okay, so Screencast O-Matic. This program here, I pay, I think it's about $11 or $9, something like that. It's $9 or $11. Anyway, it's in US dollars. I pay a yearly fee for it, so I can have the extra features. I've been paying a yearly fee for it for, 7 years now. I've been using this. I started out for free for a couple of months. Sorry, enjoyed the free version so much I upgraded to the paid version. So what I'm going to do while I'm recording this video is I'm going to try and open up, since the Movie Maker has watermarks and stuff, so I'm going to try and open this up again and record myself editing a video inside of Screencast O-Matic. So we'll open that. Hopefully it won't wipe out my recording. Okay, it hasn't wiped out my recording. I'm going to click there. And I'm still recording, I do believe. Yes, I'm still recording. That's good. So as you can see here, WordPress cookie consent plugin video. So I imported this video out of my video file on my computer into this program, because I want to show you how I can make edits with a video that I didn't use this to record on. So I recorded this particular video on a different program. And that's why I've picked this video, so I can show you. So basically what I did was I used the import feature up here. So I clicked on this and I selected import, and I found this video in my video file on my computer. I selected it and I waited for it to import until I got the green tick. And now that it's imported, I can edit it inside the editor here. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open it up into here. Okay, so I've got it into the video file here, so I can do several things that I can delete it or whatever, but I'm going to click edit. And you're not going to be able to see it, but just down below here, there's a, I don't know if I can, yeah, no, just down below the toolbar here, the red toolbar, there's an actual time thing. So just down there, if you can see that, I don't know if you can see that, but there's my actual timer of my video. So I can go to anywhere, any section in my video I want. So I could go to this section here, and I can click on blur. And here's a blur box here. And say I want to blur out the URL in the URL box. I can grab that and I can drag it up to the URL box. And I can adjust it. And then I can drag it along the URL. Drag it along there, make it a bit longer. Just for the heck of it. Because I can change the opacity, so I can increase it to like 50%, so none of the writing behind it shows through. And then down here, I can drag this for the period that I want to blur it out. So say I want to blur it out for the rest of the video, I can click on here and I can drag this to the end of the video for 20 minutes, right? Click there, and now I'm blurring out that URL for the next 11 minutes and 68 seconds, but for the first 9 minutes, it's going to be visible. So if I click OK, accept this edit, it's blurred. So basically what will happen is if I go back to here and I click play, you can see that the URL is up there in the URL box, and it'll be up there all the way up to here. keep playing. See, the URL's still there. Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Go up to 8 minutes. Still there, the URL's still up there. Increase a little bit more. The URL's still there. Almost there. A couple more seconds and this URL will start to blur out. So we're hitting the blur section just about now. Boom. So we're coming into the blur section now. There you go. See, the URL is gone now. So you can't see the URL. It's disappeared. It's been blurred out. Well, a part of it's been blurred out. You can see the end part and the front part, but it's basically been blurred out. So there you go. It's been blurred out for the rest of the video. So now you can put captions. So let's click pause. So we can add captions. So we're going to click add captions to this recording. English. All right. And you can add blank captions as well. So click start. And then at different parts through, you can add captions. So you just scroll over things, click here to play this section of audio, then type along to create caption text. So I've got audio in this particular video. So if I wanted to add captions, you know, I'd have to know what I was saying here. So, you know, I could put, you know, and you'd start typing and stuff like that, I think. So you can see. There you go. See? I've added you can see. Click OK. And I've added a caption to the video. I could have put any caption there. I could have put, you know, I could have put anything at all. So, and you can, you know, you can crop and resize things. You can do layering. There's a whole instruction. It comes with instructions, Screencast O-Matic, instructional videos on how to use different things in here. You can cut the video. So say I wanted to start here. I can go to Tools. Actually, I'll go to the end of the video. Go to here. Maybe go to here. A bit further. I'll cut out the last couple of minutes. So here I can click on here. I can cut. I can copy, I can hide, I can insert, I can narrate, I can put an overlay, I can replace things, replace video, I can freeze the frame, I can speed it up or speed it down, I can do, you know, I can add a transition. So there's a lot of things you can do. So let's just say I'm going to select this section here to cut, and I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to cut it. Okay, so I'm going to cut, you know, that. So I'm going to cut. There we go. And I've pretty much cut a little bit off the end here. I mean, I can cut more off if I want. I can go to there and click cut and drag that to there and click OK. And there you go. I've cut right to the end there. And you can do the same in the middle section. So you could click here and you can click cut. And you can drag it, whatever you know. You just need to know what's playing on the video. and I can click OK, and I can cut that little 28 section now. I can go all the way up to 7 minutes there, and I can click OK, and there you go. I've cut a section out of the video. And of course you can add sections into the video with transitions and stuff. So you can click the tools here. You can add a transition, you can insert another, extra or whatever. But like if you want to chop up a video and then put it back together, what you'll have to do is you'll have to upload it, edit the first chop, then save, download it, and then upload the original video again, or come back in here and edit the video again and then download that. So like if you wanted to join, say, the first 2 minutes with the last 2 minutes, you would that would be easy, because you can just come in here and you can cut between there and there, the last 2 minutes. But say you wanted to add the end section, say you wanted to add a 1 minute time frame of the end section into the middle of the video where you want to cut another 1 minute out, well then you would have to cut this part first that you want. So you would like put the cut tool there, and you would delete everything prior to that and cut it, and then you would cut everything after, and then you would save that 1 minute, and you would click done, and you would download that 1 minute. Then you would go back into the main video and you would edit the main video again, and so forth. So, but if you have to do that much editing to a video, well then you may as well just reshoot the video. Seriously, I mean, why record videos that are going to need too much editing? I mean, that's a terrible thing to do. It's not what, it's not what people should be planning to do. They shouldn't be planning to shoot a video and then do major edits on it. That's not what video recording is all about. And making the videos look way too professional for things, not a good idea either. So, but once you've got the video onto your onto your computer, well then, you can do all sorts of things. You can narrate a video if you have that available. You can insert, an image or whatever. So you can copy it. You can hide stuff. So you can hide the cursor, hide the webcam, insert a new recording, insert an existing recording. So this is where this would come in to play if you're chopping up a video into separate parts and you're taking the end and putting it in the middle and whatnot. You'd have to chop it up into the parts that you wanted, to put it in. And then you would have to do your transitions. So, you'd have to fade it in and fade it out or whatever. So you'd have to do your transitions there, and so forth. So you can do a lot of editing in Screencast O-Matic. It doesn't come with a watermark. If you pay the $11 a year or whatever it is, it doesn't come with a watermark. And then when you finish, you just click done. But I'm just going to go back on all the edits because I don't want to make all those edits just yet. But I'm just going to, and that's what I mean. If you make a mistake, you can just click back and you can just go back to your original video. There you go. See? So we're back to your original main video. You can resize it, crop it, do some layering. And that's pretty much, you're pretty much done. And then, then when you're ready to download it, you can click on video file, and you can basically download it as an MP4 onto your screen. You can publish it. So that's the beauty of that. So I'm going to close that off. Yes, stop and edit, stop and exit. I'll just shrink that for the moment. So that's pretty much it, really. I mean, yeah.